Hi, very good morning, all. This is 13th of January 2026. Here we are for our live market analysis and trade ideas. So, also investment ideas. So, let's see what's the market is bringing us today. So, firstly, if we see markets yesterday reversed beautifully from the level which we mentioned in the yesterday's live. So, once that level was tapped and then the market turned on the upside. So, we had clearly mentioned that when this move was there, it wants to fool some of the players and then move up. So, that is what the market did perfectly, and it was a good move to catch. And today we are seeing some good gap up in the market. So now we are seeing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So they are currently opening above the previous day high. We call it a gap up, and Nifty also the same. They are opening above the previous day high. So that is also called as an back gap up. So let's see which are the sectors that are actually performing today. And we are trying to concentrate on some specific stocks like Coal India, because we are seeing Coal India to be giving a good breakout on daily chart. So I'll just add alert for this thing, and let me see if the prices try to break that level and if we can enter a trade there. And also Bank Nifty is holding off the high. We still have the gap uncovered here, so we will see how it will perform. And sector wise, if we want to check, we are seeing media, small cap, realty, mid cap are performing at the top, which is not a good thing. And the leaders like Bank Nifty and IT auto should actually lead the market. So we'll have to wait for few more minutes to actually enter or check if trades are there. um, MCX is moving, guys. MCX is moving good. Let me check. We have a narrow CPR, and almost there is a break of the first resistance level. So on a 5 minute, they are looking good. Let me get off to my option premium. 260 call option. Yeah. So I'm currently checking 2260 call option in MCX. So they are also giving a very good breakout on the charts. I think the price is just inflated, and we are seeing Coal India to be performing and breaking of the level, I guess. Yeah, but Coal India is having some alert saying it will be on a sideways move today. Let me check MCX again. MCX looks good, guys. I think we can make an entry over here. The lot size is 625. Okay. So on 5 minute also, it is breaking a good level. Let me wait, guys. Let me wait. An opportunity missed is not a thing, but a wrong entry will cost us. I would like to enter on dips if the market gives out here. So I will just be on watch mode for this trade currently. On daily chart, they are really good. MCX might try to continue its trend till 2338 levels, another 50 rupees movement from here. Let me check, guys. Let me check. 83 points. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, guys, again we are looking at Coal India. Its level to breakout is 435. Parallelly checking with MCX as well. So it is on the upper side consolidation itself. We would want a dip to really enter this position. So currently it is also in a good position, but we want this 5 minute moving average to converge a little bit and then see if there are any entries. So we'll see other stocks if they are breaking the previous day and also falling under our setup. So Bank Nifty opened gap up and it is consolidating a bit. Nifty came down almost flattish now. Now all you guys can see is that Nifty and Nifty futures. So there was a 35 point, 40 point up, but the futures are up only 14 points. In Bank Nifty, there is 270 points of up movement, but in futures there is only 100 points. So either of them has to cover them now. So either of them has to match up with one another. So that is how it is based out and how they both actually move. So MCX is again trying to make new high, guys. The CPR for this is also good. It is bit narrow, and we might possibly want to make a entry here. But we are not happy with the option movement. We are not getting the best price over there. Still the media, PSU bank and small cap energy sector are leading the market, which is not a good sign. ONGC just rallied. Can we make a position in Coal India? That is what the question, guys. I will add another alert on Coal India at 436 rupees. So MCX is on the move. So I have entered MCX, guys. Let me see how it will perform and how the trade goes. We have entered at high price, but it's okay when the market is breaking. Yeah, we can try out and look for entries. There is a small resistance level at in the premium, so that is one concerning point. We will be trying to book at that time as well, but we will wait for that level. MCX is on a small bit of move, guys. You guys are witnessing it here. The prices actually move first in the premiums and then it moves in the asset. So yeah, it's almost around 88 rupees the price has moved. So I think I'm also out of the trade, guys. I think I hit a small profit, yeah, a very minute and small profit, but it means a lot. Yeah, just the moment what I showed in MCX on a 5 minute start, but 5 minute start did not give us any. But we thought of entering on a 1 minute scalp mode and we just entered and booked out the profits early. So when the lot sizes are more and your quantities are more, you hold, even a small movement will give you good enough movement to take an exit. So what I just did was a 2 minute scalp over here. This is not a perfect trade setup or a way in which the trades are actually done. It's just scalping method. So you see the momentum in the stocks and you just try to catch that momentum for a while. So that gives you good amount and you will be in huge lots. So I just was in 1300 quantities. People also can try more quantities or even one lots. So the minimum pick was 625. I just tried with two lots. So there was a good moment and then we booked out. So currently SBI is also trending, and SBI is again breaking the previous day high, and it is also hitting the all-time high. Um, we can also go long over here in this stock, but the same should be reflecting and should reflect on the bank nifty chart. So now the current level for us, the border line would be 59,500. So once that level is like tapped or protected, until that we can look for buy on dips opportunity. So let's wait and check for other entries, guys. MCX moved out. I think Chola Fin is trying to break its high. It's a good thing to take a trade in Chola, as the CPR is also narrow here. So we will try Chola Fin. I'll just want to see the option movement in the stock, and then conclude whether I can enter this trade or not. So currently it has not broke its previous day high only. So until that it will be a level 1 caution for us. But if we go on a 1 minute chart, this is pretty much sure that it has given us a stop loss point. Let me check on premium whether the stop loss, yeah, it will be a huge stop loss, but still it is okay. You have to risk that much sometimes. It is showing some 5 to 6 rupees of stop loss, but currently it is moving really good, and it also has a narrow CPR. It is one of our indicators to see if the moves will sustain and they break on the upside. So let me check and let me wait for this trade, guys. It is a good trade that I am expecting. Rest is up to the markets. I have kept an alert at 1730 levels. Let me check Coal India. What did it happen? Coal India fell right away. That's why I had kept another alert for my reference. The resistance was very near to the price movement it was giving. Now it fell off. It saved a trade. So pharma sector is also down, auto sector is down, FMCG no movement. Zomato, I think no, this is not Zomato. Okay, the lead from American market yesterday was for metal sector was good, consumer staples was good. So let me check metals again. Vedanta. Vedanta is also trading above previous day high and also above all the resistances, I guess. Vedanta is also looking good, guys. We want the high to be taken off here. I'm just adding another alert for it. I'm seeing Chola again. We don't want to miss any of the moves, so I'm just running over all the stocks. So it gave us again a selling pressure candle, so we are not happy with it and with its moment. I think again the market, just like yesterday, has turned um negative to bearish sentiment. There are no good stocks or no much up movement from the big guys. We are seeing some move in Tech Mahindra. Let me see how it is performing on a daily chart. Okay, Vedanta is breaking out, guys. So let me try to scalp some in Vedanta 630 call would be good, I guess. 63. We have 635 call option also. Real 635. We will also check if it is a fake move or a genuine move it has just produced. We feel the up move is bit okay, but the prices has to get stabilized and get sorted in the options. They're bit volatile, so we might get a stop loss like 1.5 rupees than whatever we have paid, or even till 2 rupees we might have to keep a stop loss. So we'll be closely watching because the queue from the America was good, and also Hindalco 930 call option will also look good. Hindalco, but the CPR in this case is very not so good, but it is breaking out. Hindalco is looking good, guys. I think this is also an all-time high mode. No, in some price moment around 970 is the all-time high. On a 15-minute chart, it's quite okay. On a 5-minute chart, let me check if it is breaking out. We will wait for this stock, guys, and also VEDL. Both the stocks are from metal sector, so it is important to watch the metal sector chart as well. um, Hindalco. So I'll do one thing, I'll just put multiple screens for both Vedanta and Hindalco. Let us see. This one candle pump over here is what concerning. It is not so good to see one candle giving up so much of volumes and then there is dormant volumes or no volumes at all. Even the same case happened in the Hindalco as well. Both the charts have given huge volumes in the first 5-minute chart. It is not good. So Bank Nifty is also falling, guys. Bank Nifty also gave a good sell off, I guess. Maybe they are just trying to flush out the weekends on the bullish side and then they will turn again. Or 59,500 will be a protected level. That is what should happen. Let's see how they will hold off to the levels. The VIX is spiking, not a good thing to watch. And also SBI started consolidating. HDFC opened with a gap up and it is in a sell off mode. You guys can see this is our main watch list. Around 50 stocks of all the Nifty 50 companies will be here, and you can see the majority of them are in red today. So there is no good sentiment, guys. But still we were able to make a small gain in MCX. So I think that will be a good gain for us. So the only objective now is to wait for the clear breakout of any stock. So I think as of now there is no complete breakout or no decisive breakout. So until that I will be waiting and I will be on mute, guys. So once it is like any clear moves are there, I'll just come back and update. Hi guys, we are able to see that both the Vedanta and the Hindalco are not so moving well. So we will wait. We will look what's been up to there, and also Bank Nifty is also coming off to the sell-off mode. I think by this time it would have made some low and shown some base over here, but I think we'll have to wait until some more time, because on the opening level itself we are getting a bearish movement, so that is not good. And also with this VIX is spiking, we couldn't really guess, and also this could be like the path for the VIX as well. If the market wants to move up for some time, it might stay on the upper side, and then it might give a move, but until that we can't predict anything else. So we'll have to just watch how the price movement is getting in, and we will see how this reaction comes out around the 10 moving average on the 15-minute chart. Equally looking after this Hindalco and VEDL, and also Hind Copper is also not moving. See guys, all the stocks which I had kept off the like charts are like not into divided into sectors. These are a bulk of stocks. Now you can see when the market had opened, these were all in green, and now everything, like almost except two, everything is in red. And also indices, if you can see, they have all turned red. The leading fall is from auto, realty, pharma, also some from FMCG. So we'll also discuss what's happening with ITC. ITC is showing some lower level movement, but until this level I have marked until 334 is the level where ITC might try to come move and then take on its upper turn. So until that we have to wait. It is an investment suggestion which we have given. It is not just a 1 day 2 day positional trading or a 1 hour trade. It is a investment advice which is given for a long term, at least like 3 to 4 months the holding should be there in ITC, then only you can enjoy some great returns. And also with Ola Electric and also PFC, I had given this PFC and REC Limited investment suggestion. That suggestion is also for investment purpose. They might be in the uh, lower side now, but if you guys know a bit of technical analysis, the pattern it is forming is very good, and it is a stronger one. Even on a monthly chart we are able to see some sort of a buying momentum over here, and the stop losses are very less. Actually in investing there is no stop loss, but still you guys can invest and keep this holdings for at least an 8 months to 10 months. So I would feel that the markets will move in similar patterns like this over next 3 to 5 months. So the energy prices are moving, and then the commodities are moving. The slowly the money has to pop into this energy sectors as well. So even the same chart pattern is being formed in PFC. They both are like twin stocks which move hand in hand and which move together. So if you invest in one, and you can just try to be placed in the other as well. So it is that simple with both stocks. And also I had given stock recommendation for Godfrey Philip India. So I think I had already given this suggestion around 2000 rupees when the stock was there. You guys can see in the group it was completely negatively turned, and then I had given the suggestion. From there it is up 5% now already. So yeah, that is how the market moves guys. Just in 2 to 3 days you could have made some good gains in Godfrey Philip. So I'll be continuously trying to give out the suggestions for long term. I'll just be avoiding any view that I will be sharing in options trade, particularly in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any stocks. I would not suggest anyone or everyone to trade options, because it's not everyone's cup of tea. I think now Vedanta is giving a move. Yes, guys, now Vedanta is giving a move, but again it is at our resistance level. Even Hindalco looks like it will break out. Feeling like I want to make position in both the stocks now and wait how they will unfold. That is what I am thinking. Yes, guys, I think I want to make position in both. I have like entered a trade in Hindalco, and also maybe I will enter a trade in Vedanta as well. So currently Hindalco itself is moving a bit well, guys, and it is just above some points, just above my buy price as well. The trade might come out well, guys, because after some consolidation and after some dip in the prices, the stock is moving up, so that is a good sign. Hindalco I am watching at a 930 call option, 930 call option of January 27th expiry. My entry is around 20 rupees and 40 paisa. So let me see and let me wait. So the clear indication was from this candle, when this broken out, the open equal to low candle is a good sign of bullishness. Now the candle will close in another 3 minutes. It's equally important that the candle close around the highs of the day or high of the candle. That gives us confirmation for continuation in the trend for upcoming candles. It is looking good as per the Bollinger Bands also. Let me check. Sometimes the option prices actually full out. Sometimes the stock prices full out. I hope no such thing will happen in this today. Equally, I will be trying to calculate my stop loss if I want to give out, or how much I want to lose in this trade. I will just be equally calculating that. Currently the high made is 21 rupees and 15 paisa. It is at 21 rupees currently. So we are looking at this price to be taken out. Let me show you on a 1 minute chart. We want this continuation to happen on a 1 minute chart. Most likely it will happen. Now what I will do is I'll just try to update my stop loss for this position around whatever the cost I have paid to the market. I think that will be sufficient, or should I wait? This candle low will be a huge one. I'm already 1 rupee in profit in option premium, guys. According to my lot size, I'm already in 1 rupee profit. So let me check if I can take an exit, or if I can just trail my stop loss. It is moving good, guys. It is moving good. The move is coming out good. I think I will just lock my paid amount, whatever I have paid to the market. Can I do it right now in this candle, or should I wait? So the option moved till 22. I'm just waiting for an good up move, guys, because as you can see, there is a red line over here at 938 in the Hindalco. That is our resistance level. So if this resistance level is taken out, this should be the next stop for the stock. But equally, this retest is not completed yet. That's why I'm little more hesitant to keep the trade going forward. Or as of now, it looks good. Is breaking off its high. Good closing to the candle, guys. Very good closing to this candle. Let me see. So we are already around 2 rupees in profit for the option whatever we have entered. So I have entered at 20 rupees and 40 paisa. The premium is around 22 rupees and 10 paisa. So almost 2 rupees. I'm thinking if I get a proper 2 rupees catch in this trade, should I exit, or right now is a good time? I have placed an exit order, guys. I think yes, order is executed, I guess. I just got got out of the trade in Hindalco as well. Just a minute, guys. I'm just getting a phone call. Yeah, guys, I just booked out of the Hindalco trade as well. I think both the trades went well. I had explained why I'm waiting and what waiting is. I think you should have also been experienced by now. And even Hindalco was the right time pick by that time only. I just missed it by just entering the Hindalco. I could have also got another 2 points on the Vedanta trade also. Uh, but it happens, yeah, I could only capitalize or take an entry just in one trade. So yeah, that's it. And Hindalco, Hindustan Zinc, they're also quite okay. They're also moving. Yeah, guys, I think that's it for the day, and I think I have completed my day's task for the day. So let me rest for some time. Yeah, thank you, guys. If you are watching until the end, thank you so much.